Welcome to the City of Berwyn Fire Department's 2020 Virtual Fire Prevention Week. It's a different time of year out there, everybody. We're doing things virtually. I want y'all to know that we're taking every precaution we can in the fire service by protecting ourselves and you. We are wearing our masks throughout the day. We are taking our temperatures and being proactive. Throughout our videos, we will not be wearing this so you can hear us. 100 years ago, Fire Prevention Week was started. As I said, it's a little different this year. This year, our theme for Fire Prevention Week is to serve up fire safety in the kitchen. I'm going to give you a few safety tips while we're here. Cooking brings people together. It's a little time of relaxation, time with the family, time with our coworkers at the firehouse. I'm Battalion Chief Mario Manfredini. I love firefighting and I love cooking. I'm going to give you a few pointers along the way. Cook with caution. Be alert. If you've had a little too much to drink or you're sleepy, it's not a good time to cook. Stay in the kitchen when you're cooking. Always watch your pots and pans. Kids, make sure the handles are turned in when you're frying or cooking. If you have to leave the kitchen for any reason while you're cooking, turn off the stovetop. If you're baking or braising or broiling something, set a timer so you don't forget. You could always come back and check it. I like to call it a kid-free zone, which we show all our kids in the schools. 3 feet. If we could stay 3 feet away from all our cooking equipment, whether it's our kitchen, whether it's our barbecue grill, or even a fire pit, that's a safe distance for all the kids. While in the kitchen, remember to keep oven mitts, wooden utensils, packaging of what we're cooking away from an open flame. We don't want anything to burn unnecessarily. In the event of a kitchen fire, remember the most important thing: get out and stay out. Call 911. Don't fight the fire. If it's small enough, have a lid handy, cover it and smother it. If there's a fire inside the oven, keep the door closed, turn off the heat, get out, call the professionals at 911. That's our job. Your job is to get out and stay out. Again, I want to welcome you to Fire Prevention Week virtually. Throughout the week, we're going to share some videos of our guys and girls teaching you about our different apparatus, giving you a tour of our fire department, and letting you know what we do every day. Be safe, be smart, and be the best you could be. Be safe out there, everybody. Thank you.